So we've completed this workshop with Muchu India. Very, very interesting product line from Thailand. We loved the entire. We've seen their global stores. We've seen what store has been done in India, and what the plan is there for taking this brand across the major cities of India, all the tier 1, tier 2 cities, along with tourist destinations where we believe this has got tremendous potential. So with me is Kaushik, and along with him is Vignesh. So I'd like to get your feedback on this workshop, Kaushik. Please help us understand how the experience has been, and what are the important points that you believe you've taken as a takeaway for today. So please give us your feedback, and we'd love to understand your feedback of this workshop.
Right. Hi, Amit. So, considering this workshop, we had pretty much uh, a clear picture after the workshop on how to start the franchising of our brand and what should be the right approach to franchise our brand in terms of the sales, in terms of retention, in terms of the expansion of the brand through various places. So, tourist destination is one place which we never consider as one of the prime locations for our brand, whereas now we are completely convinced that it's one of the high potential areas where we should concentrate and we should start developing our brand across. And also we have few doubts on marketing aspects and also the franchise marketing aspects. Pretty much now we are clear on the part, and let's see how this goes forward on the practical implementation and the output part. So we are
Fantastic.
satisfied and completely understood what are the aspects which we want to understand, and now we are ready to franchise our brand, and we are very much hopeful that it will hit the market real fast, and it will yield the results which we desired.
Yeah, you actually went about collecting different franchise models, and I saw in the questionnaire that you've kind of taken up some other footwear company's model, and you thought that this will work very well for your brand. Coming from there to how what we've built, or whatever we've recommended now, are you able to see a sync with how we will now be able to go and get the penetration into the market that we are looking at?
Right. So we completely understand after the workshop that each brand works differently, and the brand principles and the brand outlook is completely different, and is rather we can say that it's not in align with the brand which we are running, what we earlier developed, and now we completely understand what is the difference and where the gap is, and we're ready to work on it and see, and we are really excited to see the results, how they're going to turn out once we implement it.
Yes, your brand has a very unique positioning, and I believe that there is a very specific niche which is available out there, which we can go and capture. So hopefully, after today's session and after the kind of preparation that we've asked you to do, we should be able to put the building blocks for expansion, and I'm sure in the coming times this will become a very, very prominent brand across all retail landscapes, across all tourist locations and things like that. I'll also go to Vignesh because he's the operations specialist. Vignesh, you can come closer to the video, to the camera. Yeah, what is your feedback? Because you are looking at it more from an operations perspective. You are looking at it more from how you're going to work with the franchises and things like that. What are your inputs on the workshop?
Yeah, Amit, the workshop was great. And prior to this workshop, we have a thought of getting into different market segments and doing a lot of sales of footwear and providing more value to the customers. We had a lot of thoughts, but many were not exactly implemented like how we planned it to be. But I believe that after this workshop, I got a specific structure of how we can
Streamline.
streamline our distribution channel and how we can provide more organized process to get our footwear to the people. And after speaking to you and after your suggestions and after our discussion, there are many points you have provided us. This is the way we can. This is the market where we can provide our footwear. There were a couple of there were 3 or 4 channels that you have discussed with us, and they were sounding so great that our footwear will be definitely with those channels. Our footwear will definitely gain a lot of traction. So yeah, so you have provided us a lot of value with this workshop.
Fantastic, great. I'm glad we've started understanding the channels we should focus more on. Definitely discussed multiple channels, especially with the kind of dynamism that is there in the Indian market now, and with the kind of options that consumers have started exploring. So I'm sure once we start executing that, we will see the sales going up, and this looks very, very exciting and interesting. So I'm super excited. Let's take this forward. We'll build things from here on. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.